Okay, in this problem, we want to find the standard deviation from the data set. So we got our data here and we've got our frequency. Even though this doesn't quite appear like it, this is still group data, but you only have one value here instead of a range. Okay, so if you haven't already done it, download the spreadsheet, group data descriptive statistics. And our first number is 5. So you have to put 5 in both places here. Now your frequency is 10. Okay. Then I got 9 and 5. I got 11, 2. Got 12 and 3. 15, 15 and 4. 18, 18 and 5. And 20, 20 and 1. And I know those are the same values I already have there, but I'm just demonstrating you probably don't have those when you go to work the problems. So you're typing them in. Okay, since we only have one number here, then that's not only our beginning but our ending. So lower class and upper class. Then you put frequencies in. Let me double check this. 10, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 1, 0, and 5, 9, 11, 12, 15, 18, 20, 22, 25, and okay, so that looks good. Now it's asking for the standard deviation. Standard deviation we want is the sample standard deviation. Let's say indicated population. This is one you'd want to go with. So our answer is 5.45736 and round to whatever decimal place that would indicate in the problem.